are still here at the Pike Bar in Long Beach, 4th Street, Long Beach, California. And we got our favorite bird over here, Mork. Remember Mork and Minnie, man. I guess for y'all youngsters, y'all don't know who Mork and Minnie is, but that's Mork. And he's chilling. If you see my other video, he's sitting on the other side. Now he's chilling on the chair, just chilling. Does he do that on a regular basis? Man, he do what the hell he want to do, huh?
We're following the sun.
He's following the sun. Mork. He's looking at him. He's like, what you want? You got something to say, Mork? You want a beer? Honestly, and let me back up for both of you guys. This is awesome. This is something you never fucking see. I'm being honest with you. This is some of the craziest stuff on the. But guess what? Only in Long Beach, California. So we gonna get up out of here. Hold on. Mark, hold on. Mark is like, hold on. What's going on? Look at Mark. Doing the damn thing. All right. Let's see who's over here. Okay. Pike, Long Beach. Hey. All right. Okay. See?
Can I look at it?
That's Mork. Hold on. See? Hold on.
It's not a blue macaw.
Mork is getting all the attention. Hold on, look. Look at this. Pike. Long Beach living. Mork and Mindy. Yeah, see? We old. If you know Mork and Mindy, we old. We old if you know Mork and Mindy. Mork and Mindy. Yeah, we old. Well, it's okay. It's nanu. Okay. And look at Mork. He just sitting back like. Mork is an attention whore. He know what he got. He like, it's all me. Anyway, once again, thank you guys. Look, Mork, nice to meet you.